As you can see, we protected our profit and we still has the $100 from the weekly put credit spreads and the $205 from the monthly put credit spreads. Let's see what happened in this trading day. And as you can see, the market has been open today. The SPY price is about $710. If we want to close the weekly put credit spreads the 1st of May today and in this time, this will cost us about, let's see, we are going to buy to close. This will cost us about $123 plus commission, but without commission it will cost us about $120. So if we close it now, we will lose $20, and of course we will not do that because we have plenty of time. Now for the monthly put credit spreads and it end in the 29th of May. If we want to buy to close it right now, we need to pay about let's see the market price. Let's hit paper trade to see the price, $220, and that will be $15 loss. And of course we will not do that because we have plenty of time. We have 3 days for the put credit spreads, the weekly one, and we have about 30 days for the monthly put credit spreads. Let's see what will happen when the market will close. And now we have reached the end of the trading day. As you see, when we open, we see that for the weekly put credit spreads we are even. If I want to close it right now, we are going to pay about $100 and we get $100 here. We will be even. So of course I will not close it because we have 2 days more to let it become cheaper. And as you see, the stock price of SPY is now $710, so it's dropped about $5 and we still even. So if the price of this stock got up, we will be in the green. And as you see, for the monthly put credit spreads, I will lose about $15, and of course I will not close it. So this is the day number 3 from our experiment, and for that we are going to let them open and we will see what happened tomorrow. As you see now, I have about 3 days, 2 days for the weekly put credit spreads, and I have about 30 days, I think, yes, 30 days for the monthly put credit spreads. Please subscribe for this kind of content. I hope we are learning together and I hope we are going to make so much money.